Imagine I give you a normal sheet of paper, and I challenge you. Fold it just 42 times. Sounds easy, right? After all, 42 isn't even a very big number. But here's the shocking part. If you could actually fold it 42 times, that tiny sheet of paper would become thick enough to reach the moon. Wait, what? How can something thinner than your fingernail suddenly become almost 400,000 kilometers tall? Let's find out. A normal sheet of paper is about 0.1 millimeters thick. Every single time you fold it, its thickness doubles, not increases a little, it doubles. So after one fold, 0.2 millimeters. After two folds, 0.4 millimeters. Then 0.8, 1.6, 3.2, 6.4. Notice something. The numbers are exploding. This is called exponential growth. At first, it looks slow, but after enough doublings, it becomes absolutely insane. By around 20 folds, your paper is already over 100 meters tall, about the height of a 30-story building. Now keep doubling. 30 folds, over 100 kilometers. You're already higher than where most airplanes fly. 40 folds, more than 100,000 kilometers. And finally, at 42 folds, your paper would be roughly 440,000 kilometers thick. That's actually farther than the average distance to the moon. Of course, you can never fold a real sheet 42 times. In fact, most people struggle after just 7 or 8 folds because the paper becomes too thick and far too hard to bend. But mathematically, those tiny doublings never stop. And that's the crazy thing about exponential growth. It starts looking harmless until suddenly it's reaching the moon. Math isn't just about numbers. Sometimes it's about things that seem completely impossible until you do the math.